Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, as you are already aware that Tech Mahindra has already started recruiting, has started hiring for 2022 and the process is ongoing. So yes, a lot of people started, getting this kind of offer letter, which is they have started sending us. We request you to confirm to us your acceptance. So they are asking to accept the offer by signing the offer letter, the letter to the joining team. So this would mention the last date also on email. So I mean, accept the offer as soon as possible if you want to join this company. And yes, rest. I have already discussed about this profile, the package and everything, that what kind of package you will get in training. Yeah, I'll give you the video link in the description box. So yeah, you can check out. So this was the update I wanted to share with you people. You can also share with your friends, so that they also get an update, and don't forget to subscribe the channel guys. Have a great day guys, be safe.